You know what surprised me during a hearing test recently? The voice never disappeared. The background noise just got louder. And sitting in that booth, I realized that's exactly what Jesus said in John 16. When he comes, he will speak. Here's what I'd been missing. The voice doesn't vanish. Life just gets noisy. Notifications, podcasts, everyone else's opinions. The Spirit still speaks, but only in the silence we choose to create. Try it for a while. Turn off the noise. Turn on the silence. You'll be surprised what you start to hear. If this touches something within you, I got a whole blog post about it. You'll find the link somewhere with this post.